So this is Pirate, and he is a kitten we rescued about 2 weeks ago. And just getting back from the vet today. They said he is not 12 weeks old like the base vet said, but he is in fact about 6 months old. As you can see, he's actually very tiny. This is probably from inbreeding, from him being a stray, and from being full of worms and having such a bad infection. As you can see, his eye is also pretty bad. That's what we're trying to fix right now. It's kind of hard to get a good view of it. Oh, buddy. We are calling him Pirate because there's a good possibility he will lose that eye. And he'd be a pirate cat. Mika! Mika, come say hi? No, she's not gonna come say hi. But, yep, say hello to Pirate. My little rescue baby.